Welcome back to Leapfrog Learn Your Letters Alphabet Magnetic Toy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Today, we're going to do U, V, and W.
U. U says U, and U says up. Every letter makes a sound. U says U, and up.
U is for utensils. The next letter we're going to take care of today is V, the letter V.
V. V says up. V says up. Every letter makes a sound. V says up.
V is for vegetables. The last letter we're going to do in this set today is the letter W.
W. W says W. W says W. Every letter makes a sound. W says W.
And W is for waffle. Stay tuned because the next time we're going to finish the alphabet with X, Y, and Z.